This is practice test 4, and we are here doing problem number 7. And the problem states that a study was conducted on the amount of money spent by customers for lunch at a local restaurant. The average cost of lunch, X bar, was $34.55 for 25 customers with a standard deviation S of $10.50. Assuming a normal distribution, construct a 95% confidence interval estimate for the average cost of lunch for all the customers, and what we're asking for is the average cost for all the customers, which is the population mean, mu. Now we have the formula that you're going to need given to you at the top of the page. You have the population mean, mu, in the center, and then you have these quantities that you need to calculate on either side to establish your confidence interval. And listed out the quantities given to us. The X bar is given to us as 34.55. The S is $10.50, and the N, or the sample size, is 25 customers. And then you notice we need this T value here, which is going to come from the T distribution table, or the critical T table. And in order to find the T value, we need to first calculate the degrees of freedom, which is n minus 1, 25 minus 1, 24. And then you would look up 24 degrees of freedom in the table under the 95% confidence column, and you would find your T value to be 2.064. And in a previous video, I show you how to use that T distribution table if you need to review that. But once you have the T value, now you're ready to plug all of these values into your formula. We have the X bar minus the T times the S over the square root of n right here. And then we have the same quantities on the right-hand side of the formula. The only difference is that there's an addition here where there's a subtraction on this side. So as you perform the calculations, these are the numbers that you should get, and your final confidence interval is shown here.